We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All broadcast and cable stations shall transmit this emergency message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in this national emergency. During this emergency, most stations will stay on the air providing news and updates for your local area. This is WEDM. We will continue to serve the Corning area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to a station providing news and updates for your local area. The emergency alert system has been activated. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, scientists from around the world have made a startling discovery. A black hole has appeared from the core of the sun. The sun is still maintaining its regular mass, but its gravitational pull has combined with the black hole, and is now pulling other space objects towards it at an accelerated rate. This is a particularly dangerous and life-threatening situation. Scientists have also discovered that the Earth has been pulled closer to the Sun, with the new measurement now reading 92,500,998 miles from the Sun. The President will be speaking on all channels soon. Please stand by.
My fellow Americans, we are facing a crisis that will end the world and the human race. NASA and other scientific organizations have discovered that a black hole has emerged from the Sun. Now dubbed the Black Hole Sun, it has a very strong gravitational pull, and all celestial objects are now being pulled towards it at an accelerated rate. Our planetary neighbors Mars and Jupiter are expected to impact the planet very soon. Once the planet enters the event horizon, most of it will have been torn apart by planetary-level impacts or from the sun's heat. Now is the time to make amends with loved ones and friends. Spend time with them before the end hits. We look to John 3:16 for guidance now. For God so loved the world, that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have eternal life. My fellow Americans, it has been an honor to serve as your president. Godspeed, and we all see each other in God's kingdom.
That was a message from the President of the United States. This completes the final activation of the emergency alert system. We will now play the national anthem.